First, you are going to pick your printable and print your download. If you are printing from a print lab such as Office Depot, Kinko's, or Staples, most do offer cutting for a low cost, or bulk cutters to use for free when you pick up in store. You can also use a craft cutter, or hand cut with scissors. All done. Now it is time to fold. Carefully match up the corners and crease, starting from the middle, moving outward. And now it's ready. Time to prepare your footballs. These are the ones I picked from orientaltrading.com, but any 2.5 to 4-inch mini footballs will work great. I have linked to these footballs in the video description, details for you down below. Once your bags are prepared, you will want to place your folded topper over the top of your bag and staple. One on each side should do the trick. Then just have your child write their classmates' names in the heart on the back. And then they are ready to share. Matching printable, tailor Valentines also available. Check out the description details for more information.